Nearly a year since Kansas and Missouri started testing wastewater to track the spread of COVID-19 in the community, scientists are relying more than ever on those results. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Carolyn Long.
And I'm Brad Stevens. That wastewater is helping predict future spikes and identify variants spreading in our communities. KCTV5's Carolina Cruz takes us to a wastewater site where those samples are collected.
Anything you throw in the street that gets picked up by rain, and whatever you're flushing down your toilet, it's going to end up here. And this is the water they are testing for any COVID variants.
It's a simple yet essential weekly task at Blue River Wastewater Treatment Plant in Kansas City.
I'm just going to shake it up a little bit, kind of get some of the solids moving around so we don't just send pure water to the lab.
This is the second largest water treatment plant in Missouri. It's one of more than 70 sites the State Department of Health is relying on to monitor COVID-19 trends and most recently track variants.
Previously was kind of coming and going, that signal was coming and going, but we have some communities where it's kind of persisted.
The virus isn't in the water, but its genetic makeup is.
We'll tape it up and it's ready for delivery to the health department.
In Missouri, samples are shipped to the University of Missouri-Columbia. Kansas and Missouri have been tracking COVID-19 in wastewater because it serves as an alert system. Traces of COVID-19 show up as confirmed cases in the community 8 to 10 days later.
You can marshal your health resources to stand ready.
It wasn't until earlier this year both states started deep genetic testing for variants. In each, the variant of concern is the B.1.1.7 or UK variant, which is more infectious. More than 100 cases have been confirmed in each state, according to the CDC.
So that early warning feature has been probably the biggest thing that we've wanted to rely on. Now you've brought in the advent of the variants, and what we've seen is, well, no surprise, it's there too.
With COVID-19 continuing to spread and mutations evolving, testing for variants is critical to alert the community.
All the talk about a fourth surge nationwide, we're keeping an eye on.
Across Kansas and Missouri, more sample sites are being added to better monitor specific regions.
They've been doing testing here at this plant for months now, but now they're expanding to 5 of their other locations just to monitor levels of variants in our area. Reporting in Kansas City, I'm Carolina Cruz, KCTV 5 News.